Okay, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to download the program stats and evaluation information from the EVM Watershed Alliance website. From the main page of the website, you can click on the quick links, the user login. You'll be able to input your username and password. Once you're logged in, up in the top left-hand corner, you'll click Content. Once you get to the content, you're going to look for the program statistics and evaluation web form underneath the titles. Once you find that, you can click on that. At the top of the program statistics and evaluation web form page, you're going to see these tabs. We're going to click on results. So this is actually going to show us all of the data that has ever been submitted. What we want to do is, I usually just look at the dates, and so I'll know when I had sent out the last call for program stats and evals, and you'll see that they're kind of seasonally, based. We've got all of our fall program stats coming in here, and then kind of the tail end of some summer ones here. So depending on the timing, I'll look at the number of the submission, and this is going to help me figure out how many I want to download. That way I don't have to download all of the data. So once I figured that out, so let's say I wanted to download only this fall, I would select entry 109 as my number. I'll click the download tab over here. The metrics that I usually, the parameters I select, Microsoft, label, select options, compact. This just makes the Excel sheet look a little bit nicer. You can select in here. You can take off some of these pieces just so that the Excel sheet isn't so big. Usually I take off the things like I don't need to know the serial, the SID. I don't really care about submitted time, completed time, modified time. Draft, okay, I don't need to know the IP address. And then I'll keep the rest of this information as all of the stuff that I'm going to want. This is the information that we're going to need. When you're selecting the download range, you can do it by date, or you can do it by submission number, which is kind of the way that I had selected it. Any of these really work. You could do 8/1/2018 to, I could do today's date, 12/21/18. That would work as well. And then usually I select finished submissions only. And then you'll click download. This will populate in your downloads an Excel sheet, and this will have all of the information. Let me slide this over for you to see. So this will have all of the information. Usually I'll select wrap text so that these are just a little bit smaller. And then you can go through and you can see, okay, so what teachers have submitted their program stats so far, and who are we still trying to track down. This is an easy way to do that.